Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to file KRA NIL returns. So you are supposed to come to this page and then you log in by inserting your KRA pin here, and then you click continue. So here you will be required to insert your password. And then you calculate this one here. Click login. So once I'm here in this portal, what I'm supposed to do is to go straight to filing my returns by coming here to returns, and then I will click file NIL returns. I'll click there, and I'll come here to tax obligation. I choose resident, then I click next. So I'm going to file returns of 2024. I'll click here to submit. So like that, I have already filed my NIL return. So if I want to download this receipt, I'll click download so that I will keep it for reference. So that is how you can file NIL returns.